St. Catherine woman seen in video drinking spree to mark her 21st birthday found dead. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A St. Catherine woman who reportedly drank almost 2 dozen cups of an alcoholic beverage to celebrate turning 21 years old was found dead hours later after her birthday on Thursday. The Browns Hall Police in St. Catherine North Police Division are investigating a case of sudden death. The woman has been identified as Shania Brown from Kentish District. Brown reportedly indulged in a drinking spree, consuming an array of alcoholic beverages on Wednesday night before retiring to bed. A video has since emerged on social media showing Brown taking shots of a liquor while counting to 21. She was found unresponsive in bed around 9 a.m. on Thursday morning. An alarm was raised and Brown was later confirmed dead.
Grateful for 21 SME. Big up to life.
Just go and suck a little lollipop. Put it in your mouth corner like that. Pan your lip, make the lollipop catch. Me a look, me a watch.
Yeah, look.
Like a football.
Yeah, watch.
Fabrice.
But no punch and no man a
You
go
punch,
punch.
yeah, go now.
Alright, so 19.
Nobody a go, you know.
21. 21.
Walk up.
Where blocks them?
One this.
21. You know new chapters of life.
Don't play no other rhythm, you know.
Big up God for the one, yeah?
Half cup.
Well, I'm shot
Big up
blocks
everybody, you know? Thank God for life.
Half cup.
21.
Half cup.
Half cup.
Where blocks go?
One go.
Wait, yeah.
Where blocks
Just
go?
touch me the
Alright, six blocks are found. Jesus Christ.
blocks are found.
21. Life.
The police investigation continues. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.